Hi everyone, it's Bobbie. Just wanted to do a quick message and let you all know that I'm listening. I do read all your messages when you leave comments, and the response to this folio that I did yesterday has been so great, and it's just awesome, the nice comments I've received. A lot of people have asked for a tutorial, and I'm going to do one in the next day or two, and I just thought I'd share with you the paper pad that I'm going to use. And if you all want to have your well, not your paper, but if y'all want to have your folio base cut out and do it right along with me, that'd be great. So I have my bases cut out. This time it's going to be 6 by 9 instead of 5 by 9, and I'm going to make the spine 1 inch instead of a half because you can see how full it's gotten so far in the center, and I just want to give it a little extra space. And these are the papers I'm going to use. These are digital papers, and they're from NitWit collection, and this is called French Country, and I just thought it was so pretty. It's got a lot of reds and creams, a little bit of greens and some browns in it, some ginghams, a lot of French inspired, of course, because it's called French Country. This one's upside down, but they're really, really pretty, and I love this floral. It is so gorgeous. But that's what I'm going to use, and I did print out some embellishments that they had. Really pretty, and this is a pattern within a solid color. It just turned out really pretty. But this one comes from NitWit Collections, and there's the cream color and the brown. And I like that little print and the stripe. These typically print in an 8 by 8, but because my album is 9, I stretched them out a little bit. And that ticking, isn't that pretty? And then the gingham. So that's what I'm going to use to make it, and I'll have all my pieces cut out when we get started, and I will give you all the measurements. And I think I'm going to use, I thought about using brown as a background, but I think I'll stick with the Paper Studio Heavy Weight Cardstock in black. So that's what we're going to do, and I'll have it ready, and if not tomorrow, the next day. So I will talk to you soon, and again, thank you so much for all your kindness. I really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.